Hi friends, today I will discuss quantitative aptitude. ఓకే, ఒక పాయింట్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జామ్ పండిట్ వాళ్ళు డైలీ పీడిఎఫ్ అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నారు బ్యాంకింగ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ కోసం, అదే పనిగా. ఓకే, అన్ని ఎగ్జామ్, ఆల్ బ్యాంకింగ్ ఎగ్జామ్కి అండ్ ఎస్ఎస్సిస్ కూడా యూస్ అవుతాయి. ఈ పీడిఎఫ్లు అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. నేను డైలీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ డైలీ ఎగ్జామ్ పండిట్ పీడిఎఫ్స్. ఓకే, first of all I will tell quantitative aptitude. Here main concept table di. Next second one, table di 5 questions. Next number series 5 questions. Next quadratic equations 5 questions. Overall 15 questions. This is the formations. First I will explain quadratic equations. Okay, here first step, quadratic equation. First question, 2x square minus 14x plus 24. First question, we can find out x value. Here I will divide it by division of first equation 2. Here x square minus 7x plus 12x equal to 0. 112. First step, quadratic equation, find out factor, find out method. First question, first step here, 1 into 12, 12. 4 3 ja 12. Here I will add these two numbers, 4 plus 3 7. Here negative sign, we can equate it to 0. This number is equated to 0 because of 4. Here I will write total equation. Wait for one moment. X square minus 7x plus 12x is equal to 0. X square minus 4x minus 3x. Because of 7x, I will split into two numbers, 4x minus 3x equal plus 12 is equal to 0. 12 is equal to 0. I will common in x minus 4, 3 common, x minus 4. I will equate it to 0. X minus 4 into x minus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 3 because of x value 4 comma 3. Okay, here I will tell one point. Wait for one moment. X square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. 7 3 3 4 ja 12. 1 into 12, 3 4 ja 12. I will add these two numbers. 3 into 4. 3x plus 3x, sorry, minus value here. Minus 3x minus 4x. I will equate at 0. Here first second step I will equate at 0 because of signs are changed. Plus 3 plus 4. Directly I will written as directly plus 3 plus 4. Next equation, y square value. xy value plus 3 plus 4. Next 1 into 52. 52. First step. Next 14 3 ja 30 plus 12 42. 13 4 ja 52. 13 minus 4 9. I'll written as 13 minus 4. Here negative sign, minus 13 plus 4. I will add equated to 0. Minus 13 you can get answer y value plus 13. Next plus 14 plus 4 you can get the answer minus 4. Okay, here answer is plus 13 minus 4. 3 is equal to 13. X less than y. I equate x comma y values equated. 4 is equal to 13. X less than y. X less than y. Next minus 4 comma plus 4 comma minus 4. X greater than y. Here answer is option 5. X is equal to Wait for one moment. This is my problem, my phone problem. Answer is x is equal to y. Relation cannot be established. This is you can get the answer x less than y. X is equal to not equal to y. X less than y. X greater than y. X less than y. Because of can answer is x is equal to y. Cannot relation established. Fifth option. Next, I will go to next question. X square plus 19x plus 88. 1 into 88 is equal to 88. Next value. Okay, 88. Next, 11 into 8. 11 into, wait for, I will change colors. Okay, 11 into 8 is equal to 88. 11 plus 18, 19. Here, sign is positive because of signs are negative. Y x value here minus 11 minus 8. This is the x value. Next value. Next y equation. 1 into 40 is equal to 40. Next 5 into 8 is equal to 40. 5 plus 8, 13. Here signs are positive. You can get the answer negative. Y values is equal to minus 5 minus 8. I will compare in both x and y values. Minus 11 minus 5. Wait for minus 11 equal to minus 5. X less than y because of minus 5 is greater than minus 11. Next minus 8 minus 5. X less than y and also x less than y. Minus 8 is equal to minus 8. X is equal to y. X greater than y, x is equal to x less than y. Next minus 8 minus 5, x less than y. Minus 11 minus 8, x less than y. Here equal to and less than y. You can get the answer x less than or equal to y. X less than or equal to y. X less than or equal to 5. You can find out the answer. Your answer is x less than or equal to y. D option. Option D. Next, I will go to next question. Here, x square minus 26x plus 153. 153 I will written as 1 into 153 is equal to 153. Next, 51 into 3 is equal to 153. Next, 17, 3 into 3, 9. I will written as this factors 17 into 9. 17 plus 9, 26. Your signs are negative. You can get the answer value. X value, x is equal to plus 17 plus 9. Next, I will go to next question. Next equation, sorry. Y square, y value. Y square minus 22y plus 17. First of all, first multiplied 1 into 117. 1 into 117 is equal to 117. Next, you can write as 33 into, wait, 117. I will divide in now 3. 3 3 is a 9. 3 9 is a 33 into 3. 33 into 3, 117. 90 plus 27, 113. Next, 13 into 3 into 3. 13 into 3 into 3, 117. I will split into 13 into 3, 39. Here I can get the answer 13 plus 9, 22. You can sign here, sign minus because the answer is plus 13 plus 9. Like y is equal to plus 13 plus 9. I will compare both values. 17 greater than 13. Okay. Next 9 equal to 13. X less than y. This is 17 is equal to 13. X greater than y. Next x greater than y. Next 9 is equal to 13. X less than y. Because of answer is x is equal to y is or relation cannot be established. Okay. This is the point. You can get the answers. Wait, I will tell you one point here. X greater than y, one value, x less than y. You can get the x is equal to y. cannot be. We can go option 5 option. Next, x less than y, x is equal to y is equal to x greater than or equal to y. This is the option. Sorry, x less than or equal to y. Next, x greater than or equal to y, comma x is equal to y. You can get the answer x greater than or equal to y. Only two cases here, x greater than y or x less than y. Two values is this value is coming in. We can get the answer option 5. Next, x is equal to y also option 5. This is the formations of x greater than y and x less than or equal to 5 and x is equal to y. Okay, here answer is option E. Wait for one moment. Next, 14th question. X square minus 22 x plus 105. Here answer is 1 into 105. 1 into 105, 105. 21 into 5, 105. 21 into 5, 105. Next to 7 3 is 21 into 5. 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 7, 22. I can written as negative. This is negative. You can get the answer positive. X is equal to plus 7 plus 15. X is equal to plus 7 plus 15. Okay, next. Next, 7 1 into 35 is equal to 35. 35 value you can get the 7 multiplication. 7 5 ja 35. You can get the answer 7 plus 5 12. Here answer is y value is negative. This sign is negative. Here negative value here. You can get the answer positive plus 7 plus 5. 7 is equal to 7, x greater than or equal to y. Next 15 is equal to 5, x greater than or equal to y. Here 7 is equal to 7, x is equal to y. 15 is equal to 5, x greater than or equal to y. Sorry, x greater than y. We can get the first option x is equal to y. Second comparison x greater than y. Next 15 greater than 17. Third comparison x greater than y. We can overall answer is x greater than or equal to y. X greater than or equal to 5 y. Wait, here answer is option B. Option B. Next, I will go to next question. This is first lengthy process. I will tell you. You can practice easily. You can get 3 marks at least 3 minutes. 5 questions. Daily practice. ఓకే మీరు 3 మినిట్స్లో ప్రాక్టీస్ 3 మినిట్స్లో ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ని 5 మార్క్స్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటుంది ఇదర్ క్లర్క్ కానీ ఆర్ పిఓ కానీ ఓకే అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి బాగా మీరు మీ ప్రాక్టీస్ బాగుందంటే 3 మినిట్స్లో 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తారు ఈ పాయింట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఇయర్ 1 into 22 యూ కెన్ జూమ్ ఇట్ 1 into 22 22 22 plus 1 23 you can get the answer minus you can get the answer plus 1 plus 22 x value plus 1 plus 22 1 into 66 66 1 into 66 66 next 33 into 2 66 next 11 into 3 into 2 22 into 3 22 into 3 66 ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది నేను బాగా చెప్తాను చూడు ప్లస్ 22 మైనస్ 3 రావాలి ఇక్కడ మనకు ఆన్సర్ కానీ యూ కెన్ గెట్ ప్లస్ 22 మైనస్ 3 చేస్తేనే 19 వస్తుంది యూ కెన్ గెట్ ప్లస్ 22 మైనస్ 9 యూ కెన్ యాడ్ దిస్ వాల్యూస్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్ 19 ఓకే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ప్లస్ 22 సైన్ చేంజ్డ్ ఐ విల్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఐ విల్ ఈక్వేటెడ్ టు 0 ప్లస్ 22 మీన్స్ మైనస్ 22 ప్లస్ 3 this is the values plus 1 minus 22 x greater than y 1 is equal to 3 x less than y overall you can get the answer option 5 this is the questions quadratic equations next I will go to number series -23 minus 192 here I will Here this is what will become the missing number series. You can find out here missing number is 192 minus 23. 192 minus 23. 192 minus 23. Here 9, 18. 169. You can get the answer 13 square. 192 minus 23, 13 square. 13 square is equal to 169. Next 192 minus 313, 121. 11 square is equal to 121. Next 9 square. 394 minus 313, 9 square 81. Next 81. Next here 9 square. Next 7 square 49. Next 5 square. 5 square 25 plus 443 plus 25. 443 plus 25. 468. Answer 468. This is the missing number. 468 answer. Option D. Option D. Next 11. Seventh question. 11, 12, 26. Question mark 328, 16, 45. 11 into 1 plus 1, 12. 11 into 1 plus 1, 12. Next to 12 into 2 plus 2, 26. 12 into 26 into 3 plus 3. 26 into 3, 78. 78 plus 3, 81. Option D. Option D. Next I will go to next question. Difference I will find out. Question mark 8, 20, 40, 70. 8 minus 20, 12. 20, 20 minus 40, 20. 40 minus 70, 30. I can again difference 8, 10. 8 minus 2, 8 minus 10, 2. Next here 6. Can common difference 2, 2, 2 and also 2. 8 minus 6, 2. This is the option. 8 minus 6, 2. Option 2. Can get the answer. Sorry, here answer is 2. Question mark number 2. Next I will go to next question. 2 into 6, 2, 6, 3, 12, 20 and 42. Okay. Difference. 2 minus 6, 4. 4 minus 12, 6. 12 minus 20, 8. Okay. 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Total 10. 20 plus 10, 30. You can get the answer 30. Next question. Okay. 13, 8, 10, 23, 84. 13 into 1 minus 5, 8. Next 8 into 2 minus 6. 8 into 2 minus 6. 16 minus 6, 10. Next to 10 into 3 minus 7. 5, 6, 7. This is series. Next to 13. This is the series, multiplication series. 13, 8, 10. Okay. 10 into 3. 30 minus 7. 23. 23 into 4 minus 8. You can get the answer 84. 84 into 5 minus 9. 400 plus 84 into 5, 400 plus 20. 420 minus 9. 420 minus 9, 411. Answer 411. Option E. This is the 411. ఓకే, మీరు బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే ఇది కూడా 3 minutes లో 5 questions చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. టోటల్ 6 minutes లో ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ చేయొచ్చు? ఇక్కడ 10 questions అనేది అటెంప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ప్రిలిమ్స్ లో ఫాస్ట్నెస్ ఉండాలి. ఫాస్ట్నెస్ లేకుంటే ప్రిలిమ్స్ అనేది క్వాలిఫై కాలేము. అది బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఇంకోటి నెక్స్ట్ ఐ విల్ గో టు నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్. డిఐ క్వశ్చన్. ఇది టేబుల్ డిఐ. ఇది ఆల్ ఎస్ఎస్సిస్ కానీ, స్టాఫ్ సెలక్షన్ కమిషన్ కానీ, నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాంకింగ్ కానీ, నెక్స్ట్ రైల్వేస్ కూడా ఇలాంటి డిఐలు అనేది అడుగుతారు. ఒకసారి బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Study of the following information carefully. Answer the given questions. The following table shows total number of crops. This is crops. First 1, 2, 3 crops. Produced by 5 different farmers. This is farmer names. Rakesh, Manoj, Ravi, Abhinav, Naveen. Okay. ఈ 5 farmers వాళ్ళు 5 క్రాప్స్ అనేది పండించినారు. అవి ఎంత క్వింటాల్లో పండించారు అనేది క్వశ్చన్ ఇక్కడ. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఐ విల్ యాడ్ టోటల్ క్రాప్స్ separate. Rakesh value here. 640 plus 9, 640 plus 920, 1560. 1560. Next, 900 plus 640, 1540. Total I will add 3100. 1560 is, this is not 1560, 1540. Total we can get the 640 plus 920, 1560. Next, 900 plus 300 plus 340, 1560. Total 3100. Total 3100. Rakesh value 3100. Next Manoj value 480 plus 580, 1060. 480 plus 580, 1060. Next, 600 plus 440, 1040 plus 180, 1040 plus 180, 1220. 1220 plus 1060. Total 2280. 2280. Here I will again discuss. Total 480 plus 580, 1060. 480 plus 180, 80 plus 80, 160. 50, 500 plus 400, 900. 900 plus 160, 1060. Next, I will add three values. 600 plus 440, 1040. 1040 plus 80, 1040 plus 80, 1120. 1120 plus 100, 1220. 1230. Total I will add 2280. 2280. This is the value 2280. Next I will go to Ravi. Ravi value. Total 750 plus 660. 660 is here 700 plus 600, 1300. 1300 plus 110, 14110. 14110. Next, 250 plus 650. 250 plus 650, 700, 900. 900 plus 560, 1440. 14, sorry, 250, 900. 900 plus 1460. Here 1460. Total 2890. 2890. Sorry, 2870. 2870. Total Ravi value 2870. Next I will add Abhinav value. 1050 plus 200, 1250. 1250 plus 860. Wait, 840 plus 820, 1660. 1660 plus 1660 plus 280. 1660 plus 280, 1740. 1940. Total 1940 here. 1940. Next to 1250. Total 0 9 1 3190. Total value Abhinav value 3190. 3190. Next I will go to Naveen value. 260 plus 760, 200 plus 700, 900. 900 plus 120, 900 plus 120, 1020. 1020. Next, 840 plus 820, sorry, 720, 700 plus 600, this value 1300. 1350, 1370, 1690. Total 1690. Wait for the moment. 1690, 2690. Wait. I will add total values. Total 760 plus 260. 900 plus 120. 1020. Next, I will add these two values. 320 plus 720. 1040. Next, 630. 630. 630. Here 0. 6 plus 3, 9. 2690. Value 2690. Total Naveen value 2690. Next, I will go to questions. Total crops produced by Rakesh. Total crops produced by Rakesh are approximately what percentage of total crops produced by Abhinav? Here Rakesh value 3100. Next Abhinav value 3190. Rakesh value 3100. Total value. What percentage of Abhinav? Abhinav is 3190 into percentage of 100. Here 0 cancel. I will add one value 320. 0 cancel. 32 3 ja. 32 3 ja 96. Here 3190 into 100. 0 0 cancel. I will add 1 in denominator 320. This 0 0 also cancel. 32 3 is 96. 32 3 is 96. Here answer is 96. Here option, nearest option, approximately 97. Next I will go to find the average crops produced by Ravi. Ravi value here, total value 2870. 2870 division of 5. 2870 divided by 5. 5 5 is 8, 25. 25 here 35, 37. 37. 5 7 is 35. Remaining 20. Here answer is 574. Option number A. Second option. First option. Next, find the difference between rye and produced and the oats produced all the given farmers together. Okay, this question is I will find rye. Okay, here 0 0 0. Next 6 plus 5 13. 13 plus 8 21. 21 plus 4 25. 25. 2 plus 2 6. 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 4 13 plus 4 17. 17 plus 6 23. Okay, words. I will add words. 0 0 total 0. 10. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 8 15 plus 8 23. 23 plus 4 23 plus 4 27. Next 5 7 9 10 13. 23 minus 5 23 50 minus 13 70. Here 0 15 minus 7 8. Next 22 minus 13 980. Division of 5 980 division of 5. Here answer the question. Average. You can find out average here. 980 division of 5. 5 1 ja, 5 15 ja, 5 15 ja 90. Sorry, wait for the 5 1 ja, 5 48. 5 1 ja 48. 5 9 ja 98 here. 5 1 ja 5 9 ja 95. 196. Answer is 196. Sorry, 196. Your option is none of this. None of this. Answer is none of this. Next, I will go to questions. Find the total number of mustards produced by total wheat produced by all the farmers. Here, find out total mustard and wheat. Mustard and wheat. I will add mustard. Okay. 920 000 cancel. Okay, I will separate it 1050. 1050. Here 0000. Next 6 plus 6 12. 20 22. 9 10 16 16 21 21 plus 9 30. 3020. 4070. 4070. Mustard. For mustard value 4070. Next 4070. Wait for the moment. Mustard and wheat. Okay. Okay. 000. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 8 20. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 8 20 22. 9 10 10 15 20. Wait for 9 10 10 16 21 30. 3020. 3020. mustard value. Next 0 0 total 0 5 10 14 14. Next 13 19 19 plus 7 26 0 0 cancel. 302 264 267. Wait. Your answer is option go to I will add again. I will wrong this method. Sorry for the disturbance. This I will convey. Total wheat and total mustard. Wait for 1 minute. Total wheat 0 0 0 0 5 10 14 14. Next 7 15 21 7 15 plus 10 2 3. Here 6 7 the 15 25. Wait 7 plus 8 7 plus 8 15 15 plus 10 25 2840. Wheat is 2840. Next mustard 1050. I will write separately. 0 0 0 cancel. Okay, 0. Next 6 6 12 12 plus 8 20 20 plus 2 22. Next 7 7 plus 6 16. Sorry, 7 plus 6 13 13 plus 5 2 15 29 3970 39701 and 2840. Your answer is 397 and 284. Mr. value. Okay, second option 397 and 284. This is the ratio of two numbers. Next I will go to next question. Fifth question. Which farmer produced third lowest? Okay, I will go to top. Third lowest. Here your lowest number is 22. Second lowest is 2690. Third lowest is 2870. Third lowest here 2870. Ravi. You can get the answer Ravi. Answer is first option. Okay, thank you friends. ఒక పాయింట్ చెప్తాను ఇక్కడ. నేను ఎగ్జామ్ పండిట్ వాళ్ళు పెట్టేది డైలీ పీడిఎఫ్ లో నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఖచ్చితంగా క్వాంట్ మిస్ కావద్దండి. ఓకే, క్వాంట్ అనేది మిస్ కావద్దండి. ఎగ్జామ్ పండిట్ వాళ్ళది నేను ఖచ్చితంగా ఇక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను అనమాట. ఓకే, ఎగ్జామ్ పండిట్. ఇంకో పాయింట్ ఏమంటే ఎవరైనా టీచ్మెంట్ యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయకపోతే ఒకసారి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. డైలీ క్లాసెస్ అటెండ్ కాండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకో మెయిన్ థర్డ్ పాయింట్ ఏం చెప్తున్నాను అంటే ఇక్కడ నలుగురు 4 గ్రూప్ లో కూడా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో కూడా పెడతాను. ఇక్కడ ఇదే వీడియో అనేది నేను సెండ్ చేస్తాను అనమాట, డైలీ పీడిఎఫ్ని. ఓకే, ఎవరైనా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండే వాళ్ళు, బిగినర్స్ ఉంటే వాళ్ళు నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.